Amelia from Doxy.me, here to tell you about virtual background. Instead of showing your surroundings during an appointment, virtual background digitally replaces what's behind you. It's a simple way to look more professional, reduce distractions, and protect your privacy during a virtual visit. We offer a range of virtual backgrounds to help you set the right scene. If your clinic has added custom branding, you can choose a background designed specifically for your organization, or you can use one of our preset options, like a medical background that creates a clinical, trustworthy atmosphere. Bring a touch of tranquility with a natural background, or choose a setting that blends professionalism with comfort. Now let's put it into practice. Here we are on the dashboard. Let's start by adding a virtual background before an appointment. From your self-preview video, click the 3 dots to open the More menu. Select Virtual Background, then choose a design you like. In this example, let's go with this one. That's it! Your background is set and will appear in the appointments you host until you decide to change it. You can also add or change your virtual background during a session. From your self-preview video, click the 3 dots, select Virtual Background, and choose a new design. From privacy and professionalism to more playful moments, virtual background helps you set the right tone for every visit. Give it a try and see how it transforms your next appointment.